Select ride.
Alright guys,
race.
here we are. Down here at Sir Pizza on the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja H2. First time properly using my new GoPro 9 with its media mod and purple panda mic. Anyway, I'm getting the H2 cleaned up for the day here. All detailed up. Gonna take it to the wash here, clean it a little bit, and do some touch up otherwise. It's Corey from Select Rider Race, and we're back on the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja H2 with its brand new Brock's alien head exhaust, and I'm absolutely loving it. Gave some character to the motorcycle, a little growl, you know, a little action. Always loved this machine, but I kept telling people I was not a big fan of the exhausts, but had to go ahead and bite the bullet on one. But so far my GoPro 9's been absolutely wonderful. I'm loving the filming quality of it. My Senna camera, which was my last replacement, lasted a good while. It was a great camera while it lasted, but now that I've seen the GoPro quality, not just in the shooting and the video, but also the quality in the camera and overall easy functionality of it. And again, this is the GoPro 9 with the media mod on it, so you can do a direct connection with the purple panda mic. And I'm gonna have some good shots of this motorcycle coming out. I got my rear camera mount finally stable, happy where it's at. And we're going to be putting out some great videos of this exhaust and the noise it makes. But in the meantime, I'm going to get this machine cleaned up, do a bit of riding around, and I will get you guys back on here soon. Until next time, select ride or race. Hi guys, I got the H2 all washed up. I'm gonna get it back to storage here, and I'm gonna start this spray ceramic coat process. God, I love this bike. Almost 7,000 miles on this 2019 Kawasaki Ninja H2, and I just can't get over it. It's been a great machine. No problems at all. Not a single flaw. And every time I think about getting rid of her, I just can't imagine what I'd replace it with. Ooh, ugly roads. Ugly Pennsylvania roads. What a blessing it's been to own such an amazing motorcycle. Have the ability to do some of the things I do in my life. We're all really blessed, truly, but